This is how you enable or disable the background app refresh. This is super useful if you like news apps or stock market apps because they refresh in the background. When you're not using them, it will get new data so that right when you open the app, it has the freshest data possible. If you like that kind of thing, you want to enable this feature. If you don't care about that, you want to turn it off because it can drain your batteries. So to get to this feature, let's go into the settings. And then on the main settings page, scroll down to General, and then scroll down until you see Background App Refresh. Up here, I have mine turned off, as you can see, because I don't need everything up to date instantly. Things will update as I open them. This isn't the same as updating the actual software of the app. It's updating the data in the app that the app pulls in from whatever server it pulls it from. So if we have this off, the app itself will still update. We just won't get new information in the app until we open it. And we can turn background app refresh on by choosing Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular. If you use the cellular data, it's obviously going to use your cellular data when it's not connected to Wi-Fi. I just keep mine on Wi-Fi if I ever do use this, which is pretty rare. And now that you have that on, you can now selectively choose which apps you want to have with this ability. So maybe you'd only have, my stocks app is off because it refreshes all the time, because stocks are constantly changing. So maybe you just want the stocks app on, everything else off. Or maybe you just want the Tim Hortons app on, everything else off. You get the idea. You can pick which apps you want to turn on and off for the background refresh. Each one of these in the background is going to reach out to their data sources to collect the freshest data, which is going to use up more battery. So keep that in mind when you're setting up this feature. But this is how you enable it and disable it. Well, we enabled it there. To disable it, just choose off, and now the background app refresh is off, and now your battery is going to last a little bit longer. So choose the options that you like there, and then check out this right here, which is a free PDF I created for you to help you scam-proof your phone. It walks you through everything step by step. Super useful. It's free. You can scan this QR code if you're watching on a TV, or you can click on the link at the top of the description or the pinned comment to get to this as well. And after you've done that, check out this video, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your phone so you can get back tons of space. And I know you want tons of space, so check out that video. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.